Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can create a virtual machine for free by using Amazon Web Service. Those who don't have any account in Amazon Web Service, first go here and create a new account. Just click on the create a new user and you just enter your email ID and it will be take to 5 steps, and after that they will provide an free account. I think it's a straightforward process, so you can easily create a new account. After creating a new account, it will be showing like this. This is my account. To create a virtual machine, go to the dashboard and go to the search and click and type EC2. EC2 is a name for creating a virtual machine. You can also create multiple different types of virtual machine by using AWS. Go to instance, launch instance. Here you can select what type of instance you want, whether you want an in Linux version, Ubuntu or Windows or any my MOS. I will be going with Windows. Basically it's a free tier account, so you can use up to 48 hours a day, I think. You can select what kind of instance you want. I will be going with this one, 2019 basic version. And if you want to give any name for this I will give us test instance one. And by the way, you can also select where you can run your instance. Like if you are located in India, you can go with Mumbai since it will be much faster. Or if you want to be located in California or some other bits, you can also go with it. And in this you can also select what how many process you want. Like if you want to game in this virtual machine, you can go with the 8 core processor and 32 GB of RAM. For this demo purpose I will be going with free tier account. I will be also telling you how you can get like $100 $300 credit in this coming up video. For this purpose, basic instance I will be going with 1 cb on 1 GB RAM. For this you need to also create an keypad is like creating a password for your backup password for your instance. So this is a very must to create a new keypad. Give a name for your keypad and click on create. It will be downloaded in an PEM file. So for to use this access this instance from anywhere, you should keep this file safely. If you lose this, it will be very much difficult to get your instance back. So make sure you just copy and save it this file somewhere else. If you want to tinker with this you can go with this, but if you are beginner and don't know much things, I advise you to give this and leave this as it is. And here you can select how many GB of storage if you want. You can go for 100. 30 GB is an basic tier. If you want how many GB you can click here, and this is SSD type. If you want a super fast SSD like 1 GB of reading and writing speed, you can go with this. I will be going with the default one, and there's are advanced options are available. If you want to route it or somewhere else, you can use this option. Basically for Windows I will be advising you to keep it as it is. If you go with Linux, at that time you need to server and you need to use this code now, so you can use that. So for this purpose just to click on launch. It will take up to 1 or 2 seconds to create, then click on here. Now your instance is running. It will take up to 2 minutes to get it running. After creating an instance, you need to wait up to 4 or 5 minutes so you can access it. It's in default buffering time. Yeah. Now the instance is running. Just click on connect, and if you want to connect it using like CMD or somewhere else, if you want to run a server, you can click on here and copy this public domain and you can use it. In this video I will be showing like basic things how you can download the file and run it in the remote desktop. To download the remote desktop file, you can here download remote desktop file. It will be downloaded. You need to get the password. For this, click on get password. We need to wait up to 4 minutes after the instance is created. After 4 minutes, click on get password and browse the file which you have downloaded, key number 2, and click on decrypt password. Now the password is displayed. Just click on this button so it will be copied, and click in this instance. Click connect. Put your password here. Yes. That's it. Your virtual machine will be get ready in couple of seconds. You can do anything you want. Like if you want a much powerful PC, you just create it as it is. You can like install any browser, and by the way, you can also copy from your personal machine to this virtual machine. For example, let me copy this file, copy, paste.